How to connect your Shopify and sign-up form to Klaviyo. This is a continuation video. I have this video how to connect Klaviyo sign-up form to your Shopify store, but there's like one missing piece, and people over 9 months asked me a lot of questions about that. So just adding to the missing piece, and what I'm talking about on minute 248, I was not sure how to figure out which list Shopify was connected in Klaviyo, and I figured out it's very easy fix, and I just want to record this video explaining the rest.
Before we continue with the video, I have a short announcement to make. We are growing and we have a few spots available for new clients, and I would like to tell you about our partner program. Give $1,000, get $1,000. How does it work? If you know anybody in your network who are e-commerce brand, online retailers, please refer them to us, and if they sign up with us, you will get $1,000 and they will get $1,000 discount toward their credit. Or if you are an e-commerce brand and you would like to work with us, we will give you $2,000 towards your first month of the retainer. Just visit flowim.com/partner and see the details of a partner program, and we have a template there, email template, which you can send it to your friend or somebody you know in e-commerce space.
So you just need to go to your Klaviyo account, go to integrations, and the integration where you have Shopify, click view settings. So when you click on the integration and Shopify settings, so here you see channel collect subscribers, you click collect subscribers, email subscribers, and add subscriber to a list. And now we pick any list that you have to which you want to connect. In our case is newsletter. And then you click update settings and you're done. So this was easy fix, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.